Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome. I am Emma, and this is a short English pronunciation class.
Hi, I am Nexo. I am ready to listen and repeat.
Great! Nexo, today we will practice the sound I with clear words and short phrases.
Nice. I will say the words with energy.
First, I will show you the structure of the lesson. Part 1 is words. We listen to one word and repeat it clearly. Part 2 is phrases. We listen to short phrases with the same sound. Move your mouth slowly and focus on the sound.
I am ready. My ears are open.
Excellent. Let us start with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Ice. Ice. I. Bike. Bike. Kite. Kite. Light. Light. Knife. Knife. Pie. Pie. Rice. Rice. Pine. Pine. Tiger. Tiger. Fire. Fire. Island. Island. Spider. Spider. Slide. Slide. Lime. Lime. Diamond. Diamond. Microphone. Microphone. Sign. Sign. Phrases.
Good job completing the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible.
Great. Now I want to hear the sound inside real phrases.
Exactly. In phrases, the goal is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the English sounds.
Ice. Ice.
The ice is cold. The ice is cold.
Eye. One eye is green. One eye is green. Bike. Bike. The bike is red. The bike is red. Kite. Kite. The kite is yellow. The kite is yellow. Light. Light. The light is on. The light is on. Knife. Knife. The knife is sharp. The knife is sharp. Pie. Pie. The pie is warm. The pie is warm.
Rice. Rice.
The rice is hot. The rice is hot. Pine. Pine. The pine is tall. The pine is tall. Tiger. Tiger. The tiger is big. The tiger is big. Fire. Fire. The fire is small. The fire is small. Island. Island. The island is small. The island is small. Spider. Spider. The spider is black. The spider is black. Slide. Slide. The slide is blue. The slide is blue. Lime. Lime. The lime is green. The lime is green. Diamond. Diamond. The diamond is clear. The diamond is clear. Microphone. Microphone. The microphone is black. The microphone is black. Sign. Sign. The sign is red. The sign is red.
Excellent work. You and Nexo finished the pronunciation class.
Yes. I can hear the I sound better now.
Well done. Keep listening, keep repeating, and see you in the next class.